Hey students, today we are going to discuss reference skills. Okay, the first topic we will discuss is alphabetic order, that is first letter. Okay, you know, alphabetic order means arranging words according to the letters of the alphabets. We have letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and up to Z. Okay, alphabetical order basically means arranging words using the letter A to Z. Okay, we have simple steps in this. Look at the first letter of each word. Put the words in the order of the alphabet. Okay, like you have to look at the first letter of each word and put the word in the same sequence as the alphabet. Like A comes before B, B comes before C, and so on. Like we have example: cheerful, oasis, tonight. We have three words. Okay, look at their first letter: C, O, and T. Okay, look at their first letters, and we have alphabetic order. Like C comes first, then O, and then T. So the correct order of the words are cheerful, oasis, tonight. Okay. Okay, the next one is alphabetical order, that is first two letters. Sometimes word starts with the same letter. When you have words that starts with the same first letter, you arrange them in alphabetical order by looking at their second letter. Okay? We have the steps that first check the first letter. If it is the same, then look at the second letter. Like check the first letter of each word. If the first letter are the same, compare the second letter and arrange the word according to the alphabetical order of those second letters. Like I comes before O, O comes before R. Okay, here we have examples. We have words like crash, count, circus. As you guys can see that their first letter are same. So we look at their second letters like R, O, and I. Okay. We have alphabetical order of, let I comes first, then O, and then R. So the words are ordered in circus, count, crash. Okay? You guys have to look second letters in this situation. When you have the first letters are same, then you have to look at the second letters so that you can arrange in correct orders. Okay, the next one is alphabetical order, that is first three letters. If the first and the second letters are the same, then you have to check the third letter. Like, look at the first letter of each word. Arrange the word whose first letter are different in normal alphabetical order, as I have explained you. If two or more words have the same first letter, check their second letter. If the second letters are also the same, then compare their third letter to decide the order. For example, we have the words librarian, lily, and track. First letters are L, L, and T. Alphabet orders: L words first, then T. Okay? Now check second and third letters for L words, like librarian, lily, and track. Okay? As you guys can see that both L words have the same second letter, that is I. So check the third letter, like B and L. Okay? B comes before I. So final order is librarian, lily, and track. Okay? In this situation, you have to check the third letter if first two letters are same. Okay?